of course, as you guys can see, we're now on the Testnet SOMNIA network on the web. And of course, this has a lot of things to do to it. But today, I'm just going to show you guys only two major important things you need to watch out for. Which the first one is the Testnet SOMNIA network, which is where you get your faucet. And the second one is the Quest network, where you get points and you do tasks. Now, of course, you need to connect an EVM supported wallet to it, which I've done that over here. Currently, I used my Trust wallet even, and it was very, very eligible for it. Now, first things first, I already made a video, of course, onboarding. I made a compilation of video, but today I'm just going to show you guys once again. Once you come onto this site, which the link will be posted in the description below, you need to go first of all to add testnet. So you're going to add the network to your wallet, and once you do that, for me currently it says network already added. The network is already configured in my wallet, but if you're doing it for the first time, you need to click on that so you can add it to your wallet. Then you confirm it from your wallet, whatsoever wallet you are using, but it has to be an EVM supported wallet. Next thing is to get STT tokens. You need to copy your wallet address and then paste it in this box, and you click get STT token. As you guys can see, I already claimed mine, so I need to wait for the next 24 hours once again. Now, this part is where you need to pay attention to. If you've already created your SOMNIA account and you've unfortunately not had anyone to send you some tokens, or you don't have anyone to send to, we could send to ourselves. I will put my own address in the comment sections or in the description below. Send it to me and make sure you message me or write in the comment section, I just sent you some tokens, and post yours also in the comment section. Post your own address as well in the comment section. I will make sure I send some tokens back to you. Of course, I'm just going to check my own, hash, my transaction hash, and see who sent me some tokens, and I'll send the exact thing you sent to me back to you, okay? So my account will be posted in the comments or in the description below. So you can send some tokens to me and I'm going to send it directly back to you. Now, of course, after that, you guys can go to swap. You can swap ping and pong. Very easy. So let's just swap 400 pings. That will give us 399 pong. So we're going to swap. As you guys can see, it takes me to my Trust wallet. I put in my code, my password. 1 second. And then I confirm the transaction. I'm going to pay some amount of gas fees and say swap token successful. So this is just testing the testnet. This is what testnets are all about, just testing. Those things have no monetary value, so do not worry about it. Now, there's also meme coin contest, which is currently over for now. We have so many other things, and then we have the Quest platform over here. Is in this Quest platform, you get lots of rewards for doing some quests. I know some people have been on the SOMNIA Testnet for a very long time, but they've not found out that there's actually a Quest platform. But of course, the link to the Quest platform will be, of course, in the description below. Now, this is what the Quest platform is. Now, I'm going to go all the way home. This is the home page. It says embark on your SOMNIA journey, and you're just going to click start questing. Now, these are a lot of quests over here. Apparently, I missed out on the first one, but then there's the SOMNIA Testnet Odyssey socials. I've connected this one. This one is for your social networks. I'm going to open it so you guys can see what I did. I connected Telegram, I linked my username, connected Discord, connected Twitter account. I followed on X, and I did the NFT booster quest. And for that, I got a 70.1, let's just call it coins or stars for now. Now, that was the first quest. Now, the second one as well. 1 second, it's loading. It's taking a while. Remember, these are testnets. They always lag. They always lag. But so far, SOMNIA has been okay. SOMNIA Testnet Odyssey, sharing is scary. Dark table like SOMNIA. What next? 1 second. We have SOMNIA Playground. Now, for this playground, many of you might be having issues for it. Just relax and take your time, okay? Relax and take your time. Currently, I have a playground where you guys can also come into. The link will also be in the description below to join my own playground. Now, This one might be very crazy, but I'm going to explain it shortly. So first of all, SOMNIA Playground. When you come to this quest, you come all the way in there to SOMNIA Playground. Then you go to visit the playground. You click on it, okay? You click on the playground. You can mint your avatar. You can do a lot of things. It is very easy. Everything is free to do. So for example, let's go all the way to mint avatar over here. It takes us to the world. As you guys can see, I've created a couple of avatars. This is one of them. And 1 second. Trust wallet. Let me connect my trust wallet and see if all of the avatars I created will come up. Yes. So this is one I created. I created one called SOMNIA, another one called SOMNIA, another one called SOMNIES, another one called Bregan. So it's just crazy. I've created 4 avatars. Now, once you create the avatars, you can also mint them. You can go generate the avatar, put the name, and then let's just, let's use this one. Let's use another one. The servers are actually working better than it used to work before. Let's take this one of the SOMNIAs, do the generates the avatar, and let's change the name to, let's change it to, what do we change it to? Let's change it to Tinubu. This one says it's a lady, Tinubu. So then we mint the avatar and then we do confirm. So it will use your STT tokens that you've got. And it says your avatar was minted. Now we can go all the way to the playground. This one takes a whole lot of time to actually load sometimes. So just be patient, okay? They're still on the very beginning stages of the avatar. But I'm going to post the link to my own playground in the description below so you guys can join it. Also, when you are done creating your own playground, put your link in the description, in the comment sections as well. So for this task, it is better you just join my Telegram channel, which I'm going to put also in the description and in the comment sections, so that you can post your playground links there so we can visit it for you and you can complete that last task. For example, let's cancel this currently. You see, we have create the one world, create the world, follow playground with X, explore one world in the SOMNIA Playground, which I'm going to put my link so you can explore Mari. Mint a SOMNIA avatar, which I just showed you guys currently, and invite at least 2 people to your world. So join our Telegram channel, post the link to your SOMNIA Playground, or just ask a question about it, and then we're going to visit your world. But if you're finding it very difficult to do all of that, you can just join the Discord channel, which I'm going to show you guys very, very soon. So of course, there's are many campaigns you guys can do, lots of campaigns to do to earn much more points. This is the latest one out here. It's called the SOMNIA Gaming Room. So just follow, and join Discord. Easy, very, very easy. So we're going to follow. Let's click here. My Twitter is already connected. I just clicked follow. I'll go all the way back, or is it SOMNIA? And I'm going to verify follow activity. It says check it, follow on X, and it should be green any moment from now. And yeah, successfully followed on X. Now, next one, follow Craft Labs. We click here, we followed. We go back again, we do the next one, follow Galeon, click here, and we follow, and then we go all the way back, join Craft Labs Discord, go to the Discord, and then accepts as, and we verify. We can do the verification of this one, and then we're done. That is it. We are verified already. So then we're going to go all the way back to SOMNIA, and then we just did that already. So we're now going to verify all of the quests we did. Verify follow activity, verify follow activity, verify quest. And you guys are successful. And the last one is now, where is it? Show us, please. Discord, successful. So that is pretty beautiful, as you guys can see. So that is basically everything. And then we go all the way back home. Let's refresh. Oh, it showed already before we even refreshed. So now, as you guys can see, we've just completed all of the tasks here. There's also one here in the SOMNIA Yap Storm for 50 points as well. But then I'm still going to complete that. The playground also, I'm still going to complete that as well. So basically, that is just it about this channel where you do lots of tasks. Because you guys can see point boost. Here I have 200% point boost, 100% here, 50%, 175%. Loads of things going on just because I'm completing the different tasks. So of course, as you guys can see now, that is basically everything in the task campaign department. So of course, you need to always watch out, check between the SOMNIA Testnets and also the Quest network. Very important. Combine the two, do the tasks you have to do in the first one, do the tasks you have to do in the second one as well. So that is basically everything you need to know about the SOMNIA network. And finally is the Discord channels. Now I'm just going to come all the way, 1 second. I'm going to come all the way here. You guys can see, and we're just going to click the Discord. And this is the SOMNIA Discord. I'm going to cancel, continue to Discord so we can just have it on this channel here. Now, as you guys can see, this is the Discord channel. We have quick updates, we have general, we have where people can do different tasks. You can get lots of points and roles on the Discord channel. So it is very, very, very important. So of course, just come to the Discord channel, get yourself familiar with it. The most important is the announcement page over here. This is where you find every main thing about new quests, new campaigns that you can do very fast. Now, of course, with this few words about it, I hope I've been able to explain the SOMNIA testnet to you and to give you a very good idea of how to mine the SOMNIA network. So, of course, if you have any questions, put in the comment below. I will be waiting to answer. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.